Hello, my son. How was your day at school today?
It was good, Mom. We learned about fractions in math class.
That's great. Did you understand it well?
Yeah, I think so. My teacher explained it very clearly.
That's wonderful to hear. Did you have any other classes today?
Yeah, we had science and English too. We did an experiment in science class and read a new story in English.
Sounds like you had a busy day. Do you have any homework tonight?
Yes, I have to finish my math worksheet and read a chapter in my English book.
Okay. Make sure you finish it before bedtime. Do you need any help with your homework?
No, I think I can handle it. But thanks for offering, Mom.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything. Now, why don't you go wash up for dinner?
Okay, I will. Thanks, Mom.
By the way, I received a call from your teacher today. She told me that you have been doing very well in class, and that she's impressed with your progress.
Really? That's awesome.
Yes. She also mentioned that she wants you to participate in the upcoming school science fair. What do you think about that?
That sounds exciting. I've always wanted to participate in the science fair.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's start planning and working on your project this weekend.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Remember, always do your best and have fun. I'm proud of you. Good morning, dear. Have you decided what you want for breakfast today?
Hi, Mom. I'm not sure. What do we have?
We have some options. We have eggs, cereal, toast, and fruit. What do you feel like having?
I think I'll have some cereal and toast.
Okay. Sounds good. Do you want milk with your cereal?
Yes, please. And can I have some honey on my toast?
Of course. I'll get it for you. Do you want some orange juice or apple juice to drink?
I'll have some apple juice, please.
All right. I'll pour you a glass. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's it. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. Enjoy your breakfast. And remember, always make sure to eat a nutritious and balanced meal to start your day off right.
I will, Mom. Thanks for taking care of me.
Hey, have you finished your homework for the day?
Yes, I'm done. Can I go play outside now, Mom?
Sure. It's a beautiful day outside. Just make sure you stay safe and don't go too far away from the house.
Okay, I won't. Can I invite my friend over to play too?
That's fine. But make sure you both wear your masks and maintain a safe distance from each other.
Don't worry, Mom. We'll be careful.
All right. And be sure to come back inside before it gets dark. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to come back in and ask.
Got it, Mom. Thanks!
Have fun, dear. And don't forget to stay hydrated. And take breaks if you get tired.
I will, Mom. See you later.